Hello, what's up, what's up, what's up? Nandito tayo sa ano. Okay. Alright, baby. Hello, welcome. Hello, welcome back my channel. Hello. Welcome back. Okay. Nandito tayo sa dito tayo. Dapat tayo. Money. Right. Money. What's up? Welcome back my channel. TV. Yes, okay. Alright, narito na tayo sa retail. Marami tayo ay bibili ng mga pangailangan sa bahay supermarket, right? So, going to the dollar to buy some for the supermarket. Alright, so papasok tayo. Ayan. So, kailangan natin na yung pagkain natin para sa budget for the week. Okay? So, samahan nyo ako sa bili ko ng mga pagkain. Okay. Hello. Dito na po tayo sa bahay and it's coming home now. So this is the I buy in the deal. Okay. Yeah, I have a beetroot. Yan. Okay. Coconut milk. Yes. Apple, grain, mansanas, okay, onion, seeds, pepper, and garlic powder, and vinegar. It's vinegar, apple like that. Cider apple, vinegar. So. Bread for my wife for the diet. Okay. So this is all this price and all the for the kitchen and some can of like beans. Yes, chatera beans, tuna flakes, and chicken, garlic. Okay, that's all. So, yan po. So, thank you for Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Okay, bye. I love you. Monday morning. Okay, April. Monday morning. Thank you. Bye-bye.